What's going on, guys? My name is Alex, and today we're going to go over 3 side hustles that can pay you up to $75 per hour or more. If this sounds interesting to you, leave a like and subscribe, and let's get straight into the video. There's no better feeling than making some extra money in your spare time. Having an online side hustle is wonderful if you're always busy and need a little extra cash. Personally, these are some side hustles that I've done myself, and I've seen great returns on these side hustles with only spending a couple hours a day doing them. So with that being said, let's get into 3 side hustles that can pay you up to $75 per hour or more. Guys, make sure you stay to the end because I actually have a special bonus side hustle that can earn you money every single minute. It's actually amazing, and not a lot of people know about this. Before we get into side hustle 1, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. I'm dedicated to helping you guys find great side hustles and growing your online business. So leaving a like and subscribing helps the channel grow. And let's get into side hustle number 1. So side hustle number 1 is very important. It's something I personally used to do, and that is Google Ads. So if you're not familiar, Google Ads is actually the process that a lot of websites use to scale their website to the top of the SEO rankings. So in other words, if you're a website trying to grow your business, when someone types in a keyword, you want your website to be at the top of that, so people are just generally going to that a lot sooner. For an example here, we type in protein shake, there are over 10 pages of websites that have protein shakes, and you don't want to be on page 7, 8, and 9. You want to be at the top of page 1. So when I type protein shake here, we'll see protein ratings, Fairlife are all some websites here that are ranked top because, as we see, there's an ad. So that means they're running an ad to rank higher. So a lot of local businesses, popular websites, they all use this stuff. If I type in another keyword, for example, like hoodie, type hoodie in, boom, we can scroll here and we'll see that right here, this right here is hosting ads to show the top at their the top of the website ranking. So what you're going to do for 100% free, and this is the great thing because you get paid a lot of money for having this skill, you can actually learn how to do Google Ads. It's a very effective skill to have, and you can get paid lucratively. So the way you learn how to do Google Ads, you have one of 2 options. You can either go on YouTube and learn how to do it that way, or you can be trained by Google themselves for 100% free. If you just go into Google and type in Google Skill Shop, Google Skill Shop is Google designed a course teaching individuals any age for completely free how to actually run ads for companies. Once you're there, you're just going to hit get started. And they have a different range of topics that you can learn for 100% free. We're going to go into Google Ads and Google Ads certification. So once you complete this training, which takes about a week or so, you'll have everything you need to know. We're going to click this first one right here, Google Ads display certification. And it breaks down everything you're going to learn. It tells you how long each module is. You have a 15-minute, 12-minute, 15, 12-minute, 10-minute, 15-minute, and then you'll have an assessment, a 1.3 hour long assessment, which is required. Once you complete that, you'll be certified. You'll know exactly how to run effective ads for any company and any brand. So the way you get paid, and this is how you make a lot of money doing this, is you work as a freelancer. So if we go to Fiverr.com, and Fiverr is the #1 freelancer, one of the #1 freelancing websites that you can actually sign up and display your skills, whatever skill it is, whether it's making YouTube videos, thumbnails, drawing photos, video editing, whatever it is. Fiverr has a gig for you. So you can sign up, and if we type Google Ads here, we can just take a look at how much money people are making from doing Google Ads. I'll set up your Google Ads campaign. I'll do Google Ads, AdWords to generate sales. And these people, I said $75 an hour. We have people making $245 an hour. If we actually click on this offer of $245, we can see that they have 3 orders in queue. So $245 times 3, they're making well over the average amount of money that most people would do it at a starting job. So you're doing this as a side hustle. And as you can see, all they're doing is setting up the Google Ads account up to 50 keywords, 1 search ad per group. They're charging $245 for that. $245. Now the way you scale and grow your star rating, because this is how you'll get selected from people, is you put in your description that you're certified in Google Ads. So once you complete the course, you put that in the description there, boom, bang, bang. You write up a nice description like this about the gig, what you plan on to offer. People are going to offer to purchase your gig, and you'll get paid for doing that. Now Fiverr is not the only website that does this. You can actually go to Upwork.com as well. Once again, 60 hours, $60 an hour. This guy has only made $4,000 $80 doing this, but he's brand new to this. We have other people that are more experienced and $80 an hour, made over $10,000 doing this. And once again, they're simply just running ads, helping other companies run ads. You can sign up to become a freelancer on both Upwork and Fiverr, and then you can start earning a lot of money per hour. I personally did this for quite some time, and I just simply ran some ads for some companies, local businesses nearby. I actually didn't sign up for Fiverr or Upwork. I actually did it for local businesses nearby, and a lot of them, you know, that's another way. If you have companies nearby that they don't have Google Ads for their on their websites, you can actually just go to the local restaurants or businesses and offer them like, hey, I'll run some ads for you. I noticed you don't have any ads on the Google search bar. I'll run some ads for you. And people will pay for that because you scale their website to the higher rankings, and more business, more companies, more impressions, will appreciate that. And this is how you get paid $85, $60 an hour. Let's go back to Fiverr. $195, $220. The lowest amount we're seeing right here is $85, $90, and this, it doesn't require a lot of skills to, be paid a lot of this, because once again, you have the whole entire certification from Google themselves. So that is side hustle number 1. Let's get into side hustle number 2. So if you made it to this part of the video, comment down below side hustle secrets. That will let me know to make more side hustle strategies and videos for you guys. So with that being said, let's get into side hustle number 2. Once again, we're going to be on Fiverr here, and what we're going to type in is coloring pages. Now bear with me here, this is going to get good. So when we type in coloring pages, we're going to see a lot of Fiverr freelancers offering to make a variety of different coloring books and pages that you can actually purchase. So what we actually want to do is a technique called drop servicing. What we're going to do is hire one of these freelancers to actually make us a coloring book, a bunch of them or one, and then we're going to resell it on another website, and we're going to collect, we're going to resell it for a little bit more on another website and collect the difference. And it's called drop servicing. It's very similar to drop shipping, where you resell a product and upsell it and then collect the profit. So it's very similar. It's called drop servicing. And what we're going to do is we're going to go on Etsy, where you can actually sign up and have your own shop. You're going to go right here, and I already have it a shop. So what you would do is make an account and then click this drop down arrow and get a shop. And as you can see here, this individual is selling coloring pages, and they sold a total of 6,215 coloring pages for $2.70. It used to be $3, but we'll just go with a discounted price right now. So if we do 6,215 times $2.70, we'll see that this individual has made $16,000 selling coloring pages. $16,000 selling coloring pages. So there's a little bit of technique that you need to understand for to make this successful. So let's go into back to Fiverr, and let's first find a good artist to purchase from. So we can see here a lot of people are doing coloring pages, not just this person. This person sold 600 coloring pages for $32. And we can kind of get an idea of what is popular, and for the most part it's just adult coloring books, right? So we can either do adult or children. Anyone is fine. As we can see here, there's people that have sold over 6,000, almost 7,000 copies for $2. So this is very lucrative. I don't want you guys to think this is oversaturated whatsoever. We have people selling thousands, hundreds of coloring books, and all you need to do is buy it from someone else and resell it. And this is 100% legal. Just make sure when you contact the individual that you do decide to purchase from, that they are fully aware of that, and they will be, because that's the whole point of Fiverr, is to purchase things that you can then resell or utilize in your own doing. So what I would recommend you do is, for this one right here, is I'll create one coloring book with 30 coloring pages for Amazon KDP, $5. So this person already has the understanding of the whole reselling aspect of this. So they're going to give you some drawings. I personally don't like these drawings because it's not what is popular on Etsy right here. So what we'll do is we'll go back and look for something a little bit more popular. These kind of floral kind of coloring books seem to be doing good. I'll give you 1,000 Mandela coloring pages for $5. This is perfect. This is exactly what we're looking for. So you can, for $5, you get 200 premium high resolution Mandela coloring pages. And the great thing about it is, once you make the purchase, you let them know, hey, I plan on reselling this. They don't really care. You'll get this, and you'll get this one-day delivery. Then you can then go on Etsy, put up a listing of these exact coloring pages. If we click on here, for example, we'll see here, it's really pretty simple. Coloring and chill coloring books. And then you just write the listing, and boom, when you buy it, then you download it. It's a digital download, so you'll upload the digital copy that you purchased from the Fiverr individual, and then you just start racking in money, right? It's not going to be instantaneous. You're not going to upload it to the website the first day and then start getting sales that day. It's going to take some time. People are going to see your listing. They're going to then start to review, and if it's done professionally by a Fiverr individual, you'll earn money very soon. This is one of the best side hustles, because once you put that little $5 in, you don't have to worry about spending money ever again on this. And it's honestly amazing. As you can see, people are making thousands of dollars just reselling coloring books, and it's the same coloring book, so you don't have to worry about redoing the coloring book, buying more coloring books. You just upload it once, boom, bang, bang. That is side hustle number 2. And let's get into the final side hustle. All right, guys, once again, make sure you stay to the end, because I have a secret bonus side hustle that can earn you money every single minute, and you don't want to miss that. And last but not least, for this side hustle, we're going to talk about Amazon Associates and affiliate marketing. So if you're familiar with affiliate marketing, or maybe you're not too sure what it is, affiliate marketing is a process that you are allowed to actually partner with other companies and promote the products with them. It's great because you get paid a commission for each sale you bring for the customer, for the business rather. And anytime someone clicks on your specific link and makes a purchase, you'll earn a commission of that. And a commission is a percentage of that sale. So for example, if I'm selling a $100 iPhone, and it's a 30% commission, every time I sell that iPhone, I'll earn $30 for each sale I make. So it's awesome. And you can actually go on Amazon Associates and sign up to be an affiliate, and you will read everything here, and basically you sign up, they'll give you recommended products. Now, not every product on Amazon is allowed to be you're not allowed to be an affiliate for, but a majority of them you will be able to. And you can see here, you'll earn up to 10% commission for each qualifying purchase or sale. So it's great because there's plenty of products on Amazon that people purchase every single day. Your goal is to sign up, get their link, and now the last remaining step is to promote that link to people so they can actually buy that offer from you. So you're sitting here wondering, how can I potentially get viewers to my offers and my products? Simple. Go on to TikTok and you'll see plenty of people are already doing this process in this side hustle. They make a TikTok account where you can get thousands of viewers on TikTok, like no other social media site has the kind of virality TikTok does. And this is a great example of the strategy. Now they have 834,000 followers. You don't need nearly as much as they do to be successful with this, but basically they're just reviewing a variety of different Amazon products. And then what you'll do is in your link right here, you'll put a link in your bio, and then when you open it, it has a whole bunch of Amazon offers. So whenever I go on here and click on something that they reviewed, I'll go on, click this, and it'll bring me to Amazon, and this is their affiliate link. Now you don't see, it's kind of disguised a little bit differently, but this is their affiliate offer that if I now buy it, they just earn a commission, a 10% commission of that. And if thousands of people are watching your video, chances are of those thousands, you're gonna get a couple hundred that are actually very interested and will do that. So I actually do affiliate marketing in my part-time endeavors, and I've made over $5,000 with affiliate marketing in the last couple months while being a full-time college student, also working a part-time job. So this is the definition of a side hustle. You can make a lot of money with affiliate marketing, and I actually offer a free training. If you want to check the description, I offer the 15-day business builder challenge. It is a $7 course that teaches you exactly how you can be successful with affiliate marketing, learn how to scale a business to making tens to $20,000s per month, because you can actually scale this up very, very quickly. And personally, I went through the training myself, and a few weeks after, I started to make money weekly, and it's been amazing. I love affiliate marketing. It's one of the greatest side hustles ever, and you can learn exactly how from the top affiliate marketers. You can get one-on-one training. If you want to check out the 15-day business builder challenge, the description will have the link to that where you can sign up. And I highly recommend, if you're really trying to find a side hustle that you could do in your free time that can pay you a lot of money. So with that being said, let's get into the bonus tip. And I want to thank everyone that stayed to the end of the video, because now you get to watch a bonus tip, a bonus side hustle that can pay you almost every single minute. So let's get into that. So as promised, let's get into the bonus side hustle. Now, as a disclaimer, this one won't pay you nearly as much as the other 3 side hustles, but this is a good pocket change if you're looking to just, spare a little money in your free time. So this is Slice the Pie, and you can get paid about 6 cents for each song review, which takes about 20 seconds. All right, so for example, let's go into here, and right now there's going to be a song playing. I hit play. And I'm just gonna, as the song is going, I'm gonna type in something like, this song was awesome. Oops, sorry. Song was awesome. Now at the bottom here you see an orange bar going up. That's what is the required amount of words you need to put in. So this song is awesome. I think new keyboard here, sorry. I think the melody is amazing. Now you cannot copy and paste words either. You have to type originally, because I know a lot of people want to, you know, utilize the copy and paste, just get one phrase or sentence and throw it in there, but no, you have to be original. I'm gonna just turn the volume down because it's kind of loud. So the song is awesome. I think the melody is amazing. I would add some more drums. Honestly, it does not matter what you type, just make sure it's music related. I would add more drums, and you also don't have to listen to the whole song. So I know it says 3 minutes and 43 seconds. You actually don't have to listen to the whole song. I'd add some more drums and turn the tune into a more rough, I don't know, sound, and make sure the audio in the background is more loud. As you can see, it doesn't really matter what you're typing. Finally, I would refer this song to as many as my friends. Okay, again, my English probably not the best in this sentence because I'm just typing just to go. But then you just write, you do this, just put whatever you think the song made you feel, and you'll get the hang of this. It's real simple. I'm just putting whatever, and right here is very important. You see right now, you're gonna get paid instantly. You hit submit, submit. Give it a second here. It's loading. Boom. I just earned 3 cents for doing a song review that took me not even 30 seconds. Okay, I know someone has a timer back there and they're gonna be looking, oh no, this took you longer, but you get the hang of it. You boom, type in something. You need to listen for 90 seconds, type something in, do some quick reviews, and boom. At the top here, I was testing this a while ago, and you can see here, if we go to view transaction history, leave this. If you do this enough, you do this every day for enough, you can see you can earn decent money. I mean, it's not anything crazy, but I've earned 21 cents. Now, once again, I did this a long time ago. But you can earn, you know, I'm at 21 cents and I did 4 song reviews. You do this time and time again, eventually you get up to $10 and you can do a withdrawal. You can also refer friends as well, and referring someone will also help you earn, you will receive 10% of all review earnings. So if they're making 10 cents a review, you'll earn a penny each time. Again, it's nothing crazy, but it can accumulate quickly, and you're just getting essentially free money in your spare time. Let's say you're in school, you're on your break or whatever, and you just want to earn some money in the background. Boom, slice the pie. And then you get to withdraw the money through PayPal if you have a $10 minimal limit. So that's basically that. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. This has been my 3 favorite side hustles that can pay you up to $75 an hour or more. Definitely leave a like and subscribe. I do plan on giving you more content, more international, more local, more everything on how to make more money online and also scale your online business. So definitely smash that like button and subscribe. Comment any questions you have, and don't forget to check out the 15-day business builder challenge. It is in the description, and that's how you can increase your online marketing skills and become a very successful affiliate marketer. So see you guys all next time. Take care.